Hello, my name is Abdulaziz Ashokani. I will explain a pronunciation part. Let's start our lesson. Hello, everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Okay, good. Let's start with a small activity. Do you know numbers? Do you like them? Okay, good. You know, the previous lesson was about what? Numbers. But now, I want you to use them. Okay, is that clear? Good. I have a small activity. You'll come here and I'll give each student a number, okay? We'll divide it into two groups. For example, let's say the number 300, 312. Look, this number called 312. You will order 3, after it 1, after it 2. Okay? The same order. Here 1, here 2, here number 3. Okay? I'll divide you. Every group will have 3 cards. Okay? Those numbers. Okay? These numbers 3, 1, 2. Okay? For example, let's say 213. You will order the same. 2 here, 1 after it, 3 after it. Got it? But the winner will be, the first group will complete, will be the winner. Abdurrahman, can you explain it for them again? Yes, as he said. For example, if I said 112, 132, okay, you'll do the same. Okay, that's it. Start the game. Everyone will have Clever, okay? This is for you, this is for you. Yes, you are number 3. Here for the ladies, 1, you are 3, you are 2, okay? Done the others for me, okay? Because you are just only 6 people, I give you 3, 3. Okay, let's start. 312. Yes, good, good. The boys before the girls, oh my goodness. Yeah, good. Let's now try another one. 213. Oh, now girls win. Oh my goodness. Gentlemen, focus. We want you to be the winner. What is saying? The last one. Who will start it will be the winner. Okay? 123. Yes, gentlemen, before. Clap for them. They are the winner. Okay, good. Now, let's start with our lesson for today. Okay, I want you to know, to tell me if you know something about this one. S, Z, those sounds. Do you know them? When we use them? Some of them in the beginning, some of them in the end of the sentence. Also, for today's lesson, we will just discuss something. The plural of anything, okay? The plural for anything, like book, car, how we pronounce the S when we make it to plural, okay? Is that clear? Okay? Who can tell me about those things? For example, car, when we add S, how it will be? Can you tell me, anybody will share any information? Try, give it a try. Yes, Ahmed, here, yes. Cars. How about this word? How we pronounce it? Here. Give it a try, Elizabeth. Yes. Box. And this one what? Z. Cars. Repeat after me. Cars. Cars. Repeat more. Cars. I want you sound. Raise your voice. Cars. Yes. Box. 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 Yeah. But last one, I'll give you an example. Do you know this one? I'm sorry. Just a minute. Yes, this one. Can you pronounce it? Abdurrahman? What is it? boxes, 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 box, alone, boxes, like this one, boxes, okay, we call it boxes. Did you focus with me now, the difference between this sound and this sound and this sound, okay? Now I'll tell you something I want you to focus about. Every one has sound, but when we make a plural for any word, we have another way. Okay, another way to pronounce the end of it. I'll show you a small photo about it, and you'll say the word, and we will pronounce it together in the projector. I'll open it now for you. I'll see it from my phone, and you see it in the board. But sorry, just I'll erase it to make it clear for you. Okay, now I want you to focus about them. Let's start. The first one here, C. When the sound with C, sa, or S, X, za, sa, cha, cha, ja. Here, focus. I'll give you something to focus about it. Here, when you have, for example, the sa sound in the end, you will immediately what? Use s, okay? Look in the other picture, and another part. Look, the, ca, ta, f, th, the, and th. I'm sorry, th. Okay? Look at them. Like those sounds. It's easy to keep them, and you will use what? Sa sound with them. The last one, B, D, G, O, M, N, and R, V, Y, yeah. Okay? Those sound for what? Z. Z sound. Let's pronounce them all. The first part is, okay? Let's just start about it. Raise, buses, boxes, rises, kisses, watches, dishes, changes. What's the second part? Sleeps, box, hats, claps, graphs, maths. Okay? Let's the last one. Crops or crabs? That focus. Crabs. Words. Bugs. Deals. Dreams. Dance. Sings. Wears. When you wears. Gloves. Blaze. You blaze. Okay? Got them? You keep them? Now I'll give you some papers. Okay? And I want you to order the sound. You have the sound here inside them. As I told you, is, sa, and za. You know how to pronounce the plural. Some plural words here, you will divide them in some groups, okay? Answer everyone in one group, like this. You'll make a table. This one for is, and this one for ze, and this. You will order the word like this. You have a lot of words here. You will do like this, okay? You will write the word, for example, cars. Cars, words, cars, yeah, with R sound, like this one. And the other words, okay? Is that clear? Can you explain it for us, Elizabeth? Okay, good, as you said. Let's start. Okay, you take it. The others for me. Start quickly. Done. Okay, I'll take one from here and I'll take one from this one. Okay? I'll look at them. Okay, good. Did you do all? Clap for them. Okay, now let's go to another activity. I want you to use your phone now. I'll give you now a small thing. I want you to focus with me. What is it? I'll give you an audio. I'll send it to you now. Open your phone. Okay, open Bluetooth. Everyone here, open the Bluetooth to hear with you the audio. Okay, now I'll share it. Okay, this is okay. Everyone have it? Okay, good. Now, what you will do with it? You will use your headphone. Okay, listen to it and repeat after it. And after that, you will what do? Another thing. You will record yourself the same pronunciation of the words you heard. Okay, you will listen to. Okay, start. Done. Okay, good. I'll take 3 audios just. I'll tell you here. Give me a phone. ASU. Let's just start with the first one. Yes. Listen to it. Good. Clap for him. Now for the ladies. Okay. Listen to it. Okay. Good. The last one from gentlemen. Listen to it. Clap for them. You did well. Okay, the others. I want you to record yourself. Do not forget. Again, you will record them again. I'll give you a website. This website, you go to it. www. Here you go. I'll send it to you in our group in WhatsApp. And I want you to go there and you will record yourself the same way, okay? And we will discuss them here. The people who I didn't give them feedback here, okay? Got it? That's for today. See ya.